Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, got the Hauppauge HD PVR 2. Just got it today in the mail. Took forever to come. Alright. I think I half opened it a little bit, so let's see what we got in the box. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have, first thing, we have component cables for the PlayStation 3. I don't know how to hook these up, but we'll see. Alright, little box. HD cord here. I know I need this HD cord. A piece that plugs up to the computer, to the back of it. Alright. We have, I think these are for the PlayStation 3. Okay. Okay. We have direction. Okay. Okay. We got the Hauppauge here. Small thing. Okay. Let's see what else we got in the box. I think that's it. So we got HD, the piece that plugs up to the computer, one that plugs up to the 3. I don't think it go HD. And these little pieces go to the PlayStation 3, and block, the power piece that plugs up into the wall. Yep. I'm about to hook this up and see how it go. Alright. Peace.